Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. After removing the body mount bolt and bushing, cut off the old bracket. Step 3. Grind down the frame free of rust and debris. Step 4. Weld the part on fully. Finally, reinstall the body mount and bushing. Then, paint the work area with primer. And you're done!